Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You will need about 1.5 cups of your favorite chocolate ice cream, 1/2 cup of cold milk, and 2 tablespoons of rich chocolate syrup. Make sure you also have a sturdy blender, measuring cups, and a tall glass ready to go. High-quality ingredients make all the difference for a truly satisfying treat. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get blending. Carefully scoop about 1.5 cups of chocolate ice cream into your blender. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of cold milk. For that extra chocolatey kick, add 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until your milkshake is perfectly smooth and wonderfully creamy. Don't overblend. Want to make your milkshake uniquely yours? You can easily adjust the thickness by adding a little more milk for a thinner consistency or more ice cream for a thicker treat. For an unexpected twist, try adding a tiny pinch of sea salt. It really brings out the deep chocolate notes. Finally, get creative with toppings. Whipped cream, chocolate shavings, or a bright red cherry are always fantastic choices. Your delicious chocolate milkshake is now ready. Carefully pour it into a tall, chilled glass. Serving it immediately ensures you experience the best cold and creamy texture. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of chocolate ice cream or syrups in the future to discover new favorite flavor combinations. Enjoy every single sip of your homemade, perfectly crafted chocolate milkshake. It's a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.